Introduction. Arvind Kejriwal, a visionary Indian politician who has left an indelible mark on the nation's political landscape. An ardent advocate of transparency, accountability, and people-centric governance. Founder of the Aam Aadmi Party, AAP, a platform for alternative politics aimed at transforming the way India is governed. Early life and background. Arvind Kejriwal's journey began on August 16, 1968, when he was born into a middle-class family. His academic brilliance led him to IIT Kharagpur, where he honed his analytical skills and commitment to public service. A pivotal moment in his career was joining the Indian Revenue Service, IRS, where he gained first-hand experience of grassroots-level challenges and inequalities faced by marginalized communities. Political career. Kejriwal catapulted into the public eye through his association with the anti-corruption movement alongside social activist Anna Hazare. Instrumental in shaping the Jan Lokpal movement, a crusade for a strong anti-corruption ombudsman. Frustrated by the systemic issues, Kejriwal and like-minded individuals formed the Aam Aadmi Party, AAP, in 2012, aiming to provide a fresh, honest approach to politics. Governance and policies. 1. As the Chief Minister of Delhi, Kejriwal's governance style emphasizes grassroots-level involvement and empowerment. During his first term, 2013-2014, he introduced groundbreaking policies such as the Delhi Jan Lokpal Bill, to fight corruption, and the Delhi Swaraj Bill, to decentralize power and engage citizens in decision-making. In his current term, 2020-present, Kejriwal has focused on pressing issues like pollution, education, healthcare, and accessible public services. Education reforms. Kejriwal's administration embarked on a revolution in the education sector, transforming government schools into centers of excellence. The Delhi Education Revolution redefined school infrastructure, teacher training, and student engagement. The innovative Happiness curriculum introduced emotional well-being and life skills education, earning accolades worldwide. Healthcare initiatives. A hallmark of Kejriwal's governance is the establishment of Mohalla clinics, local healthcare centers offering free consultations and essential medications to Delhi residents. His management of the COVID-19 crisis showcased his proactive approach, including expanding testing, augmenting medical infrastructure, and raising awareness. Public services. Kejriwal's administration took a bold step by providing free water and subsidizing electricity for specific sections of society, aiming to alleviate financial burdens and enhance living conditions. Political strategy. 1. Kejriwal's political strategy revolves around challenging the status quo and confronting established political parties. 2. His use of social media and direct public interactions has created a unique bond between the leader and the citizens he serves. 3. However, this confrontational approach has faced criticism for its polarizing impact on public discourse. Controversies and criticisms. 1. Despite his achievements, Kejriwal's policies, especially his freebie-oriented approach, have sparked debates about the sustainability of such initiatives. Critics have questioned his focus on Delhi's governance, arguing that it limits his influence on national politics. Confrontations with other political figures have led to both admirers and detractors, contributing to a diverse range of opinions. Conclusion. 1. Arvind Kejriwal's journey from an anti-corruption crusader to the Chief Minister of Delhi exemplifies his commitment to transforming governance. His impact on education, healthcare, and public services in Delhi is palpable and demonstrates the potential of alternative politics. As Kejriwal continues to challenge conventional norms, his legacy in Indian politics remains a subject of ongoing exploration and discussion.